a die is rolled 40 times, and this is the frequency recording of the outcomes of this score. So we are supposed to work out the estimate of probability that after the next roll, what will be the chance that it will land on 3. This is the outcome from 40 rolls. Now the die is supposed to be rolled again, and we need to predict the probability that it will land on 3. Now all we need to do is that previously from our previous experiment, how many times did we land on 3? Is 4 times. Out of how many times? 40. So to work out the probability that will land on 3, it's just 4 out of 40, which is the same as 1 over 10. We call it relative frequency. We relate the frequency of each outcome with the overall frequency. Now suppose the die is rolled another 240 times. How many 5s will you expect to roll? Okay, let's first understand what happened out of the 40 rolls, then we scale it up to 240. When it was rolled 40 times, 5 appeared 7 times. So the relative frequency for 5 out of 40 is 7 out of 40. Now we know the relative frequency out of 40. We scale it up to 240 by multiplying the relative frequency by the number of trials. And working that out, that will give us 42. So this is called relative frequency.